Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to do a presentation on UX, which we have gone through till this class. The app which I have been designed, I kept name as hotelview.com. Table of contents. First thing, about the app, what is the app is going to do, and second thing, that 4W and its breakdown. What are the what, where, and how that statements have been added. What is the problem statement which I have been identified for that user journey, and I want doing the research, that is empathize, qualitative and quantitative research which I have done. Next thing after that, doing personas, it will be comes under the define process, and then ideation workshop which we have conducted, and next we gone for prototype, which is nothing but wireframes, the product, then testing, finally the conclusion there. First thing about the app, about the app is nothing but the user want to book the hotel with very convenient using a mobile app. For example, if the user gone directly to the tourist spot, the price may high, so they in that way they can use with offer, so it will be fine. So the main thing that one, and second thing, the user can explore and compare the hotels which we are going to stay. For that only the app has been built. Main thing. Second thing, 4W and X breakdown. First is who the targeted user is, mainly the tourist only, the targeted user. Next, the hotel management also. They can be advertising the hotel, so the more customers can be come. For first W, who, and for second W, when they'll be using while going for the trips or any devotional trips, mainly for tourist trips only. That time only they'll be booking the hotels. Second thing, what? Before itself I said about the app, that will come under what. Next, where it is be used, it will be used in the devices like iPhone, which we are using, smartphone, tablet, computers, etc. We will be using that. Next thing, why it will be used, main thing is convenient only. While going to live and booking means the room maybe got filled, but convenience, we can plan here and we can book. The main thing is the why only. How it will be used? It will be used by using that the user registration will be, first of all, you have to sign up that app, and next we want to use the filters and we can explore the hotels, and we can compare the hotels, mainly pricing may be difference and amenities, etc. So we will be using that. How? Third thing is problem statement. Problem statement is the tourists are finding difficulty to find the good hotels. Okay, finding a good hotel can be challenged. I'll be explaining briefly about this one. The finding a good hotel can be challenge for the tourists. So our app is here to make it easier. We help the travelers quickly to find and book the best hotels to suit their needs, and they can be enjoy the comfortable stay without the hassle. And the user journey. User journey is nothing but without using the app, how the user will be booking the hotel. That's only comes under the user journey. First in user journey, first step is planning, looking for a good tourist place, arranging for a budget, asking for a friends, and overall coming and fixing the date to go. That only first step. Second step is getting ready. Getting ready is nothing but we'll be taking a shower, changing the clothes, and assembling the friends, and planning what mode of transport we are going to the tour. That will become under. Next step is traveling. In traveling, we'll be looking for a bus tickets. First of all, bus or train, anything. For example, the bus ticket is got sold out. Then we're looking for train tickets. Got a train ticket and start traveling. First step. And next step is reaching the destination, getting down from the train, and looking for a taxi or auto. Okay, and then we'll be getting into the taxi and plan to explore, looking for a hotel for the stay. First thing, we'll be going for the refreshment. We want to look for the hotel, so we'll be looking for a hotel for a stay. And next thing, looking for a hotel, we'll be asking a guide or the taxi driver, looking for a good. Looking for a good hotel. Please suggest me some hotel. For that only, I have added asking for a guide for a hotel room for the stay, and we are unhappy with the hotel set by the guide. Maybe we will be not like the amenities, or we don't like that, so we are unhappy with that. So we will be looking for a good nearby hotels. We'll be looking for that. The next step, maybe the cost was very high. If the hotel was good and the rating was high, the cost is very high. Our budget may be 2,000 or 3,000 only. That the cost is 5,000 or 6,000. But anyways, there is no other option. We should stay there. So there is no other option. With the higher price, the user ought to stay there. And next, final thing, exploring the place. That's it. Going for the nearest sites for the famous place, or going for the purchase, or exploring the place and enjoying the tour. That's it. And next step is Empathize. In empathize, I had done quantitative research and qualitative research. In quantitative research, I took on a review. In this review, the user is said he can't travel. He can't charge his heavy during the travel. In this review, I have been pointed out that only the user is facing an issue in charging his heavy. Its competitors in hotels.com. I have taken this review. And next reviews. In this review, he said it does not carry forward the date until the booking completion. While user selecting the date, it is not carry forward until the booking completion. That was a review in that, and I have taken this from the Expedia. This review. In this review, the customer support is not responding properly, and the user has been cancelled. The refund process, and they are just not looking on the refund process. The refund process is very slow, I think. And this competitor is Booking.com. And this reviews password option is not available, and hotel information is not available properly. The password option is nothing but the user only can log in through OTP. For example, the mail ID and password option that is not existing in the app, and the hotel information is also not available properly. For example, there is no direction or no phone number. That's it. This review, this has been taken from Hotel Tonight, this app, and qualitative research. These are the questions I have been interviewed some of the users. This is an open-ended question which I have been asked to the user, and this scenario prompt question, 2 questions I have been asked, and this is a direct questions I have been asked to the users, and that only I have been defined. I mean, I created a persona. His name is Patel Singh. His bio is he's a doctor, and during his holidays he is looking for a hotel, and his motivation is he's a clarity person, and he's a calculative person. He's save time, planning, comfort, which I have been done, and this is the goals and frustration which I have been pointed out there. For the same only, I have been taken 2 guys. One is Anand, his bio and his character, motivation, and his goals, his frustrations, technology what he is being using, and brand he is using. Same for this 3 user persona I have been identified here. And ideation. In this, the user as a tourist is expecting bathtub, swimming pool, and charging the EV, which in the before review we have said. Now that's user story I have taken. That feature we can clearly display the availability of feature in the app, so the user can understand clearly and what the amenities and service are expected from the hotel. So we can, in features we can add this. For this, the requirement is in hotel, the features of hotel, we can add images or videos of the hotel, and user can go through search and filter option. They can view this. And as a tourist, we have seen in the quantitative research, the date is not carry forward until the booking completion. Same for that, provide a flexible booking interface until the booking completion. Search and select the month. Same only requirements have been added. In this user story, payments. He got stuck in the payment process. So the payment, we can redesign the task flow of the payment process, and we can do that. That's the requirement I have been added here. In this user story, as I told, you can't cancel the booking. So a booking cancellation option can be added, and these are the steps requirement what I have added. On prototype, before supervisor in the research, one of the user review identified that he or she can only log in through the mobile OTP. So I have been added the email ID, and we can sign in through Google or Facebook or Apple ID, anything. These are the prototype screens I have been, wireframes I have done. So I have identified there. And second thing is, in this research I identified that hotel is not adding the EV charging station in the features. Nowadays, in the future also, the EV charging station is must, because many of the users are switching to EV. So I have been added that EV charging station features. If want, the user can explore it by applying the filter in the booking option. Okay, for that only the screens. In the screen search, and the user want to go for the filter option, they can select the EV, they can explore it. And the second thing, another thing I added is, as a tourist, the IFS booking does not carry forward that until the date completion. I have said now before, it's for that only. And these are the requirement I have done. I have provided a flexible booking interface until the booking completion. For that only, these 2 screens. First of all, I am entering the date. The date will be also the display. Where, for example, I will enter the date and selected the Chennai, and the date will be displaying nearby, and it will be going until the completion process. The check-in date, it will be available there, and for confirmation before the pay now, the date will be available. And I have said another features. user is expecting bathtub, EV station, same only. In features also, I have been clearly displaying that. So only I have been added these three screens. Wi-Fi, double bed, one flat screen. What are the features are available below the room name? I have been given that, and the policies and facilities. These are the policies which the hotel maybe follows. So we can view that, and facilities. For example, parking or swimming pool. What are the facilities you need? You can search. I have also given that search option. You can search and you can book the hotel. That payment structure. I said no. One of the user is not able to pay in the app for that I have built the screen. Payment. These are the requirements, and this I have done. Payment method, and once the user selected debit card, credit card payment, he will be going to this screen, and once the completed the payment was done. These are the screen I have been added. And testing, and these are the three types of testing. In that, the moderated testing is nowadays is not applying by the many company. They are going for the unmoderated testing because it's a cost efficient extra, and this guerrilla testing is used to be only the startup companies. This is also cost efficient, so they are going with this testing. And conclusion, that's it. Thank you.